To do this, you will need access to the Developer tab, which is not visible by default in the menu bar. Before inserting a checkbox, the first step is making sure this tab is enabled. Start by navigating to the File tab and selecting Options from the bottom of the left panel. This opens the Word Options dialog box where you will choose Customize ribbon. On the right side of the window, scroll through the list of available tabs until you find Developer. Enable this option, then select OK to confirm and close the window. Once this is done, the Developer tab will now appear in the ribbon, and you are ready to work with checkboxes. With the Developer tab available, place your insertion point exactly where you want the checkbox to appear in the document. Select the Developer tab, then look for the Controls group. Within this section, click the Checkbox Content Control icon, which looks like a small checkbox. As soon as you click it, Word inserts an empty checkbox into the document. This checkbox is interactive, meaning it can be checked and unchecked, and you will notice a bounding box appears when the cursor is placed on it or when its state changes. By default, the checkbox uses an X symbol when checked. If you prefer a traditional checkmark instead, this can be easily adjusted. Select the checkbox or place your cursor directly next to it. Return to the Developer tab and click the Properties button. In the Content Control Properties dialog box, look for the Checkbox Properties section near the bottom. Next to the Checked Symbol option, select Change. When the Symbol dialog box opens, choose the Wingdings 2 font. From there, select one of the available checkmark icons and confirm by clicking OK, then OK again to apply the change. You can also modify the appearance further by removing the bounding box that appears around the checkbox. To do this, select the checkbox again, open the Properties window from the Developer tab, and find the Show As option. Use the drop-down menu to select None, then click OK. This makes the checkbox cleaner and more user-friendly while keeping it fully functional. And that's it. Thanks for watching.